my tractor. It's made by the Avery Machinery Company of Peoria, Illinois, I believe 1921. It's designed to compete with the American Fordson, and it really wasn't much of a competitor. It's also one of the first 6-cylinder tractors made in this country. Tested in Nebraska at their state test. It was the 39th tractor tested there, and it was the first 6-cylinder. And it was several years before they tested another 6-cylinder tractor. This particular tractor was in quite bad a condition when I got it. It had been vandalized. Every bit of brass was gone off of it, except in the radiator core, and I tried getting that. Couldn't get it off, I guess, but they ruined it. And it was necessary for me to find a carburetor that would work on it. And I jury-rigged a different magneto onto it, and numerous other things like that. Had to have the engine overhauled. It was completely shot. We had to rebore it. A couple cylinders were worn so badly that it had to be bored out and then dry sleeved and bored again.